Okay, so I'm just looking at the options to fit the power unit. Now I know that there's possible positions to I've seen some where they take this fan intake to be on the other side, and there may be reasons for doing this in terms of where this cable set goes. Now if you look in here, so you can get a better shot. I don't know if you can see that, but I've already got some cables, some umbilicals coming through. Where are we now? Yeah, there, the H audio and the USB, which I've got coming through this hole here. Now when I put the power unit in, oops, that hole there is going to rub up against the power unit, so I'm thinking of taking these out and putting them through this rubber grommet over here. Okay. Sorry about the camera work. I really need a cameraman or woman, preferably a woman. So straighten it up. And then the other consideration I've got to have is that the CPU lead this one, I want him to go through there, or maybe this one here, or maybe the grommet there, because he's eventually got to travel from here to there, so he's got a bit of play. Now it'd be very nice for him to go in there, and I'm going to see if I can do that and still get this screwed on, but I'm going to take those out first, I think, put them and rewire them through here. So this is going to be a bit fiddly. I might have to take this power unit out a couple of times before I actually get it right, but I think that's the best thing to do. Okay, so we'll be back when I've done the first set.